Ganja is considered the wisdom weed by Rastafarians, as its use helps one to gain wisdom. It is normal for Rastafari to meet weekly in a community center, or a Rasta's house. They are a time for members of the faith to chant, sing, say prayers, or discuss communal issues. The Rastafari also use marijuana to produce heightened spiritual states. Some meetings revolve around music and are known as Nubingi meetings, which occasionally include large feasts. Despite what many think, Rastas actually condemn the use of marijuana simply to get high. Instead, it is usually used within religious ceremonies, in a highly ritualized manner, in order to enhance feelings of unity and help generate visions, of a spiritual and soothing nature. As marijuana is a central tenet of Rastafarianism, its followers are sometimes treated leniently, when found in possession of marijuana, in places where it is illegal. Most people are stunned to learn that weed is illegal in Jamaica, and has been since the Ganja Law of 1913. Possession was decriminalized in February 2015, and the new laws also ensured that the Rastafari were legally allowed to use the herb for religious purposes, without fear of prosecution. When did Bob Marley started to use the herb? Wikipedia says that Bob Marley began using cannabis/marijuana, when he converted to Rastafarianism in 1966. We assume that his bandmates Peter Tosh, and Bunny Wailer, started out at around the same time as Bob Marley. The use of the holy herb is not only considered a mind-altering substance, but its use is supposed to lead to a deeper faith.